October is National Mental Illness Awareness Month, and today the Fort Wayne VA Hospital hosted an event to provide resources and education on mental illnesses and addiction. WFFT's Rohma Siddiqui spoke with healthcare officials and the keynote speaker at the event. Tonight she has more on what the VA is doing to raise awareness about mental health and recovery.
I'm a survivor of early adolescent trauma and then also of adult trauma. Human trafficking, domestic violence. I had PTSD, and I was homeless, and I was a hardcore drug addict for 9 years.
Marti MacGibbon, a former meth addict, is now a motivational speaker, author, and stand-up comic. She travels around the country raising awareness for mental illnesses and recovery. This morning, she spoke at the VA Hospital of Northern Indiana in Fort Wayne.
My mission in life is to break away the stigma surrounding all these things that I've overcome.
MacGibbon says recovery is a possibility for anyone suffering from addiction.
You have to be connected to a positive support network. And that means getting rid of the negatives in your life, people that are dragging you down. And that's hard to do if you're caught up in a cycle of addiction and shame.
We have such a wide array of programs, and we're so proud of what we offer. We offer evidence-based therapies. We offer recovery-oriented programs that are outpatient, and we offer programs for women, for newly returning veterans, a lot of different groups, and we provide an array of services depending on what the veteran needs.
Helen Rhodes is the Chief of Mental Health Services at the VA Northern Indiana Healthcare System.
Raising the awareness, that's one of the biggest tools that we have to reduce stigma, is to get people to understand and get away from a blaming and a stigmatizing culture to one that says we're here to actually provide that help. And for the invisible wounds, mental health is part of medical care.
Dr. Robin Palsrock is a local recovery coordinator. Palsrock says using the message of someone's personal experience can be a very useful resource for raising awareness on mental illnesses.
Whether it's PTSD or substance abuse or schizophrenia, I mean, there are studies out there that show that recovery is possible from mental illness.
Healthcare officials say it takes a lot of courage to ask for help. If you are a veteran in need of help, you are encouraged to contact the VA. Rohma Siddiqui, WFFT Local News, First at 10.